If your muscles could talk, they would be screaming for help right now, because after 40, something starts changing inside your body. You are not sick, you are not lazy, but the strength that once came naturally now takes twice the effort. The same weights feel heavier, the same stairs feel longer. This is not weakness, it is your muscles quietly shrinking from lack of the right fuel, and most people do not even notice until it is too late. Experts say we can lose about 8% of our muscle every decade after 40. But the good news is, this can be slowed down or even turned around, not with powders or magic diets, but with real natural food. Because every bite you take either feeds your strength or drains it. By the end of this video, you will know the 8 foods that help build muscle and burn fat naturally. Let us start with a popular one you may already know. Number 1. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is the cleanest, most dependable source of protein you can eat. Every piece helps your body repair and grow stronger after any kind of exercise. It is light, filling, and gives long-lasting energy without loading your body with fat. The trick is how you cook it. Grilled or boiled chicken helps your body recover faster. Deep-fried chicken slows everything down and adds extra weight. Pair it with vegetables or brown rice, and you have a complete meal that helps build lean muscle while keeping your waistline steady. But chicken alone will not bring your strength back. The next one works on a much deeper level, from the inside out. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are one of nature's perfect foods. They are packed with protein and healthy fats that help you stay strong and full for hours. The yellow yolk is the part most people skip, but that is where all the power is. It has vitamins that keep your body's natural strength hormones working properly. Eating whole eggs after exercise helps the body rebuild muscle faster than just eating the whites. That small change makes a big difference in how your body repairs itself day to day. But there is another food that goes beyond recovery. It actually helps your body burn fat while keeping your muscles firm. Number 3. Salmon. Salmon is rich in healthy fats that help your body use food for energy instead of storing it as fat. It is also packed with protein that keeps your muscles strong and your stomach satisfied for longer. People who eat fish like salmon a few times a week tend to have better energy and leaner bodies. It also keeps your joints moving easily, which matters more as we age. A few slices of grilled salmon once or twice a week can make a real difference in strength and body tone. Still, strong muscles mean nothing if your body cannot use what you eat properly. That is where the next food quietly does its magic. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Real Greek yogurt, the thick and unsweetened kind, is one of the best foods for steady recovery. It gives your body protein that works fast and protein that works slow, so you stay fueled through the day. It also helps your digestion, which means your body can make better use of the food you eat. A few spoonfuls after a workout or before bed helps keep your muscles well-fed and your stomach calm. You can mix it with nuts or berries for a healthy snack that builds strength over time. But while yogurt keeps your muscles fed, the next food gives them energy to keep going. Number 5. Lentils. Lentils may not look special, but they are a quiet powerhouse. They give steady energy that lasts without sugar crashes. They are rich in natural protein and minerals that your muscles need to stay active. The fiber keeps you full and helps your digestion, which also supports fat loss. Unlike beans, lentils are gentle on the stomach and easy to cook. You can add them to soups, stews, or rice dishes for a simple muscle-building boost. If lentils protect your strength during the day, the next food protects it while you rest. Number 6. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese might not look exciting, but it is one of the best bedtime snacks you can have. It digests slowly, feeding your muscles through the night, that helps your body stay in repair mode while you sleep. A small bowl before bed can make a big difference in how fresh and strong you feel the next morning. It is also high in calcium, which keeps your bones solid and your muscles firm. Simple, natural, and effective. But if you want a food that rebuilds strength and supports your energy at the same time, go back to something that has been around for thousands of years. Number 7. Lean beef. Lean beef is one of the most nutrient-rich foods on the planet. It gives you high-quality protein along with iron and zinc, which keep your body's energy system running smoothly. When eaten in small amounts, beef helps you stay strong, alert, and ready to train harder. Grass-fed beef is especially good since it is lower in fat and easier to digest. 1 or 2 servings a week are enough to see results. Balance it with greens and you have a complete muscle and energy meal. And finally, the most underrated strength food of them all is something green and quiet. Number 8. Spinach. Spinach may look simple, but it helps your body work better from the inside. It helps blood flow smoothly to your muscles so they perform with less effort. It is full of minerals that help your body recover faster and stay energized. Eating spinach regularly helps you move more easily and feel stronger over time. You can add it to eggs, stir-fry it with garlic, or blend it into smoothies. It is one of those foods that does not shout for attention, but delivers results when eaten often. Okay, when you start adding these 8 foods into your life, your body begins to change. You stop fighting against your body and start working with it. Muscle loss is not a sign that your time is up. It is a signal that your body wants better care. You need food that works with how your body is built to heal. Strength does not fade with age. It fades when we stop feeding it. So start feeding it again, one real meal at a time, and watch your body remember what it can do. Thank you for reading. Share in the comments which country you are from. If you have faced something similar or want to share your own story, write it below. Your words might inspire someone else to rebuild their strength too.